This week, we're going to review a deliciously simple, no-bake chocolate eclair cake from Culinary Hill. This recipe is described as a classic Midwestern dessert that's made with just 5 ingredients and comes together in about 10 minutes plus chilling time. So stay with me and we'll get started. Okay, so this chocolate eclair cake is one of the easiest desserts that you can make. All of the ingredients that I used were store-bought so that it would be quick and easy, but you can make them from scratch if you wish. I let this sit in the refrigerator overnight and it was super soft when I cut a piece to review. It was difficult to get a nice clean piece, but that was just for looks. And it is true, the longer it sits, the softer the graham crackers become. Recipe developer Megan at Culinary Hill suggests to warm the can of frosting in the microwave for 20 seconds or so to loosen it up so that it pours easily, and that worked out perfect. Just be sure to remove the lid first. For the first bite, you can see how much the graham crackers had softened overnight in the fridge. And when I tasted it, there was no surprise how delicious it was. It was light and fluffy and tasted just like a super soft Eclair, and I couldn't wait to take another bite. It was fantastic and definitely deserves 5 stars. There's not a whole lot more to say other than I love the simplicity of this wonderful dessert, and we will make this again throughout the summer. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me something down in the comments below, and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching.